Tavi here. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords for today. Now, if you're new here to the channel, we do daily KDP keywords and we reveal the keywords that are being properly and carefully researched using the 4 free Chrome extensions that I've outlined in a previous video. So if you are interested in these kind of videos, as well as strategies to make passive income online, income reviews as well, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our daily videos. Just as a quick reminder before we get started, in the description box below this video, you can find 2 30-day free trials. The first 30-day free trial is for Canva Pro, which allows you to format, edit KDP interiors as well as covers as well, and you can take advantage of the 30-day free trial to access the Canva Pro. Also, you can find a link for a 30-day all access free trial for Creative Fabrica, which is my go-to when it comes to KDP interiors, graphics, as well as KDP keywords. So if you haven't yet checked that out, this is your chance now to take advantage of the 30-day free trials below and cancel whenever you want as well if you don't like it. So let's get started with the first keyword for the day, and the first keyword for the day is Pocket Planner 2024 to 2025 for purse. Now this is amazing. It fits all the profitability metrics and it checks all the boxes. First of all, out of the 4 Chrome extensions, we are mainly relying on the top 2, which is Titans, self-publishing Titans, as well as Amazon's Cap Pro, which gives us a beautiful niche score down below. First of all, let's come to self-publishing Titans. We have a really strong niche score of 86. Now, preferably, they claim that the lowest score that is acceptable is around the 50s for the Titans Chrome extension. So 86 is pretty good as well, and we always also compare against the keyword niche score given by another Chrome extension, which is Amazon's Cap Pro, in order to clarify and in order to confirm the keyword's strength. So in this case, this keyword is really strong. It's a long tail keyword. It's exactly what we want to see. So Pocket Planner 2024 to 2025 has a keyword niche score of 86 by self-publishing Titans, as well as a keyword niche score of number 8 by Amazon's Cap Pro Chrome extension, categorizing this keyword as a nice niche. Now, Amazon's Cap Pro has a scale of a keyword strength between 1 to 9, and 8 is pretty good, and it complements the 86 right over here. Also, coming to the total results, we have 1,645, which is around that 1,000 mark, which is also acceptable. The average bestseller rank is beautiful. It's under 300,000 and it's currently sitting at 42,899, and the average reviews are 195, and the average price is $9.05. So you need to have a look at the keyword here and know exactly what's required from you. It's basically a planner that is a pocket planner, so it's a small size. It's for the 2 full years, 2024 and 2025. So it's going to contain these. It's like a planner for these 2 years, and it's for the purse. So then again, clarifying the fact that it's going to be a pocket planner, it's going to be a small size, and the smallest size that you can publish on Amazon's KDP is 8.5 times 8.5 inches, which is the smallest size, perfect for a purse and perfect to take with you as a travel size as well. 8.5 times 8.5 inches, and you can easily access that on Canva. And I'm also going to create some free templates in the upcoming videos, and I will link these templates below the videos as well for you to just go ahead, click on the template link, and it will open up for you the size and the format and the bleed already ready for you to go ahead and edit your own covers and edit your own interiors that way. Just try to skip ahead and try to provide a shortcut for all the subscribers and all the viewers of the channel. So I really hope that you enjoy it, and that will be linked to the description box below. Once it is ready, it will be available below all of the videos. So the beautiful keyword right over here, take advantage of it. You can go ahead and add in a daily or a weekly or a monthly planner, but make sure to include it for these 2 years. Also, one thing is that you could also sub niche according to the design. So for example, if you would like to create a botanical pocket planner 2024 to 2025 for a purse, you can go ahead and create that botanical interior, create that botanical and floral kind of an herbal cover as well. That would also be really good as a way to niche down. Also, you could create a retro pocket planner. You could create a aesthetic with a glossy marble design, and that kind of gem like design with a lot of glitter, and it's very glossy as well. Another thing is you can create it according to whether you want it to be for men, for women. The design's also going to be different, whether you want it to be for students, whether you want it to be for children. And yes, children can have purses, as you know, as well, so or for bags as well for them. So let's head over to the second keyword for the day, and the second keyword is also another strong one, and it is crystals for beginners book, and it has a strong keyword niche score of 60 by self-publishing titans and a keyword niche score of 8 by Amazon's Cat Pro Chrome extension, categorizing this as a nice niche. Now let's come to the total results. The total results are 6,058, and yes, I can hear you, it is a little bit too high, but we are going to talk about ways that you can niche down and break through the high total results. So I really want you to take advantage of this keyword, because it will open up doors and open up the potential for other sub niches as well that are also really profitable, and that I have also kind of dissected the sub niches in previous videos in terms of the whole crystal and abundance and law of attraction kind of niches as well. So don't worry about the total results being 6,058. We're going to talk about how you can break through. Let's come to the bestseller rank, which is an average of 387,632, which is acceptable. It is between that 300 to 400,000 range. The average reviews are a massive 4,045, and the price is $11.93. So all the metrics are beautiful except for the total results, which are a little bit too high. You can cut through that by sub-niching. For example, creating a crystals for beginners book for children, creating even sub-niching further if you would like to sub-niche according to the types of children in terms of the age group, in terms of the what the crystals are for. Now, if you're familiar with the use of crystals and gemstone healing and in all that kind of thing, then yes, you do have that kind of power, and you have that kind of knowledge to dive in further. If you're not familiar, just simply create a crystals for beginners book, which would be a guidebook. It can contain 30, 60, 90 pages, one page dedicated for each of the main crystals. There would be also sections inside the book as well. For example, crystals for how sometimes there's people working crystal healing. They have, for example, crystals for self-healing, crystals for love, crystals for abundance, these kind of things as well. You could also take this a step further and say, okay, I don't want to go into the whole crystal healing kind of window, because for example, if you don't believe in these things, or if you don't want to dive into that kind of spiritual side of things, then you can go ahead and create a crystals for beginners book, either for children or adults, but provide factual information, provide, for example, information regarding the history of this crystal. Who was the first person that was, for example, a page dedicated to ruby, or a page dedicated to rose quartz, or whatever crystal it is, or emerald. And then you would include some, fun facts of who was the first person that discovered this crystal, what is the chemical composition of this crystal, where can this crystal be found. It's like a crystal portfolio, a gemstone portfolio for each of the main ones. That could be something else that you could do. And if you do decide to dive into this niche or a similar niche as well, then you could have a series. You could have the actual factual book, where it would be 30, 60 or 90 pages, whatever number of pages it would be like a comprehensive guidebook. And then you would have a part 2, which would be part of the series, but more of an activity book, where the learner, the reader, the customer gets to apply the knowledge that they've learned in the actual book in the activity book. So they would need to purchase that book. So it would be more of a series, and then there would be a coloring book as well, which is part 3. So there's basically so many ways you can dive in to this niche right here. So I personally would not be concerned about the total results, and I don't think that neither should you as well. Let's head over to the third and final keyword for the day, and it is beginner's guide to energy healing. Beginner's guide to energy healing has a total results of 1,535, and it's around that 1,000 range, which is good to see. The average bestseller rank is 803,218, and yes, it's a little bit too high, but we're going to talk about ways that you can use this keyword and be able to still get your book to sell. Also, the average reviews are 4,600, massive average reviews for the number of results there are. And also there is a average price of $13.82, and we have a keyword niche score of number 6 by Amazon Scout Pro, which categorizes this as a nice niche. Now, I'm not going to go ahead and talk about the keyword niche score by Titan's Chrome extension. They've currently given this a 0, which does not match the data right over here. We do have a number of books, a quite large number of books that are selling under this keyword, and also I'm going to stick with the number 6 given by Amazon Scout Pro. So this is not a keyword that I would consider super profitable, but yet you can still use this, create a book or 2 under this keyword, advertise it on Pinterest using either the ads kind of where you invest money, or just simple like pinning the book in Pinterest, creating different pins as well. I wouldn't focus too much time and energy on this keyword, this exact keyword right here, but I would still like to diversify the portfolio and include a book or 2 that I've created under this keyword. And also this is more of a sub niche where it goes even beyond to the previous niche as well that we talked about, which is if you create a book, an activity book, a coloring book for this Crystals for Beginners book, you can actually use this keyword right here because it's connected to the crystals as well under that whole theme of healing. From a spiritual point of view, it's connected to that, so you can include this keyword as part of the 7 keyword slots, and the same thing applies as well. Now, if you do want to engage with this keyword right here, you can just simply create a beginner's guide to energy healing, just some kind of either fun facts or did you know, or different techniques of energy healing that you can be able to dedicate 2-3 pages for as well. So that's just a choice for you to make if you would like to dive into this niche. I would personally not dive in further, but yet also for the sake of diversifying your Amazon KDP portfolio, you would always need to be able to create different types of books, and it will give you the power and the experience to dive into different niches as well. So let's summarize today's keywords. We have the best keyword, which is Pocket Planner 2024 to 2025 for purse, and it has a keyword niche score of 86. The second keyword was Crystals for Beginners book, which has a keyword niche score of 60. And finally, we've got the Beginner's Guide to Energy Healing, which has a keyword niche score of number 6. I wish you all the best, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.